এড়াচ্ছে রে এড়াচ্ছে। So here comes my friend. Let's go roll. Asta बहुत माती माती आई थी ना नहीं आया देखी माइक खुला बेटा हमको रिकॉर्ड है वो की ओ तो वाला वाला इंग्लिश माती आई थी बा माने पीटी बा बेटा बाल दूर गया ओए बेटा ओए ला 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 This lady is not checking right and left. She's going like she's walking in her courtyard. Helmet আসেনি বাচ্চি রে আমি এইটা দেখলাম না কিন্তু রে ওটা কিছু ঘুরা রে এগুলি ফিটিয়ে দেওয়া যাইব লা 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 চুতিয়া Daine lam re beta lam. This place is so dirty. And here comes the tea stall. Edache re edache. And here comes the Badarpur fort. गाड़ी आ रही है. This is a small fort actually. ना भाई. आशा आशा. Weber is here. Kunda Nairino. Where you can go left, and these roads are not a quality road. धड़कनों की सरगोशी उड़ियों के खनखन से मेरी सदाई धमपदनी बदन से Life is a highway, I wanna ride it all night long. If this is a highway, I wanna ride all night long. With a truck and have no skill to overtake it. Thank God I passed him. Oh, these trucks. And I'm good to go. I hate two things, auto and tuk-tuk. They are dangerous for every biker. Every biker. There's a big pothole in the middle of the road. See, another one. See, I request every bikers to look forward for all the potholes and not to get scared while facing it. Stay calm while riding bike as much as you can. Just stay calm. Everything will be fine. You'll end up getting crashed. I hope. Nice stretch. Just never put the headlights down, man. What a beautiful sunset. What a beautiful sunset. Life is all about ending up being in this ambulance. You gotta take nothing to the grave.